Alright guys, we're doing a big transformation on the solar shack. I'll show you what's going on the roof. It's a mess. Alright, so we thought we would tar it with driveway sealer, or not driveway sealer, like crack filler for driveways. And it's been a year and it just cracks there. And in the heat, it literally, you can see it's still not even dry after a year. It's still like, yeah, you can see right there too. It's nice and dry in the shade, but as soon as it heats up, it's literally like wet tar again. So we're gonna pull all the panels, clean them all up, and then we got 4 more panels. We're gonna get rid of that 10-year-old one. These are only a year old. And then we got 4 new ones, so we're gonna rearrange them. So we have 2 going this way, and then have 5 going that way. We'll have 7 in total. But time to get these panels lifted. Gotta strip all this stuff off, and then do some proper white, like RV sealer. So yeah, it's gonna be a really, really messy job, guys. But let's get to it. Also, we just put this in the other day, and I'm gonna change that out. We're gonna have these that go to the MPPT charge controller right here. So I'm gonna have them go to the line in. And then, yeah, it's just a mess. You can see right there. All of these have been like spliced. So we're gonna actually connect proper MC4 connectors to the end of all these. Sorry about the light, guys. And yeah, it's all getting totally rewired. There's the exit to that new port. We got some new inverters too to install, so. All right, I turned off. I got just that row of lights on now, so I won't blind you guys, but you can see the original solar wires come out. And then we got them like bridged together, and it's just a mess, guys. I did this years ago before I got into actually wiring things with MC4 connectors. Same with there. So all these got to come down. We're gonna have MC4 connectors to each individual panel, so we can change the arrangement from series to parallel, whatever we got to do to adjust our voltages and amperages. And then we're gonna have that all wired up to here, and we're gonna extend the panel. I'm gonna put another panel covering this area that's fairly removable with just a couple screws, and then we're gonna mount a couple power inverters on there, some pure sine wave ones. So let's get to it. Oh man, what a mess. That is a ton of tar to scrape. Yep. Yeah, look at all that tar, guys. That's just from that one strip there. Nasty. And I already threw one of these out. Alright guys, well it's hot and that tar is just getting real sticky, so I think that's it for the day. I'm having a lunch break, so check back in on the next video.